Okay everyone, I am back to educate you on another product that you really need to know about. And first I want to tell you, I am a physician assistant. I've been licensed to practice medicine in the state of Florida for the last 15 years. So educating people on what they should and shouldn't be doing with their body is just something I've been doing for a really long time. And I just think people need to know more about what they're putting into their body. And if I could just give you some basic information about what you're putting in and maybe even more importantly what you're not eliminating, it's just a nice little minute segment of how to become healthier. So, you know what, we've all been consuming toxins, unfortunately, breathing them in, drinking them in, eating them, really since we've been born. And if you think about it, we cleanse out the oil in our cars every 3 months, right? If you don't, there's a light that goes off and it's freaking out at you because the car doesn't run properly if it's not cleansed out. If you don't cleanse out your air conditioning filter in your house regularly, it breaks, and that's not good. I live in Florida, that's not good. So what happens with your body? This is our house. We're gonna live in it our whole life, right? What if you don't cleanse that out properly or regularly? Bad things happen. The organs don't work the way it was meant to work. And you know what, you guys, thousands of years ago, they cleansed their bodies out with plants and herbs. And we don't do that anymore. And so I'm here to share with you an amazing product. This is called the Liquid Cleanse by Genesis Pure. Now they have it in a capsule form as well because this is not the best tasting thing on the planet, but anything that doesn't have sugar in it and it's good for you typically doesn't taste very good. So here's what this is. This is all plants and herbs, and it's an herbal formulation that cleanses the 7 channels that we have that eliminate. We don't just eliminate through our intestines. You know, women will go, oh, I look a little pregnant, I need to do a cleanse. No, you cleanse through your lymphatic system, your skin, your kidney, your lungs, your liver, your blood, and your intestines. And so this is a liquid cleanse. You put a dropper full in your water at night, 4 ounces of water, drink it down. Stuff happens while you're sleeping. And just like your car, when it gets cleansed, it runs better. So how many of you are struggling with, maybe you're feeling sluggish, maybe you're tired, maybe you don't have enough energy, maybe you just don't feel like you did 5 years ago, maybe you just need a good cleanse. You know, so I recommend Liquid Cleanse, Genesis Pure. Check it out. It's amazing. You don't have to do it every day. Do it 7 days out of the month. Get your body working the way it was meant to work. The average person has 7 to 9 pounds of junk down here. Let's get that stuff out, get you working the way you were meant to work. Take care, guys. God bless.